guys, today I'm going to replace my crash bungs since one of them is missing. Right here, this is the left hand one, and I'm gonna show you on the right hand side that the other is missing. I don't know what happened to it. So I got a parcel from Amazon this morning, and I'm just gonna open it. Hopefully it's the replacement one. So I also found out that this is universal. That's why I choose this one. It was very straightforward, and the color is green and black. Hopefully it's not gonna look too bad with my